Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are doing a training and qualification round for a task in Toloka Yandex called Insert Price from Product Page Screenshot. This one should be easy. Let's jump into this right away. Pull it up. This is going to be the screenshot, and the price of the item is 58.37. Let's pull up the guidelines here. Um, Simple instructions. We don't want to miss on it. And the task, you will see screenshots taken on the pages of websites of online retailers. Example given will be Amazon. Our task will be to find the price of the main product on the page and enter it in the specified field. So first, we need to look at the screenshot presented in the task. Tab on it to zoom it and scroll. Find the standard and final price of the main product on the page. More information will be on the task details. That is here. If you found the price, select I found the price and enter it in the specified field. If you didn't find the price, select price not available and leave a comment with an explanation, and then press submit. Uh, Task details. Use a dot as a decimal separator. So, for example, the price is 56.37. We have to write it down as 56.37. Choose the price after discount offered to everyone, but not including discount for bulk purchase or bundled items. If on the page there is no product or purchasing options shown, choose price not available in the checkbox. If on the page the price is not shown because the product is not selected, choose price not available. You must choose the price of the main product on the page, not in bulk purchase or bundled items. If those are the only prices shown on the screenshot, choose price not available. Okay? Please take note of all these. Choose the regular price without offers for logged in members. If a member only price is the only shown, choose price not available as well. Do not choose the product of digital purchase. I think we need to get a screenshot of this because there's a lot to the guidelines and we might miss on them. All right, hold on here. New task details. All right. Um, do not choose the price of the digital version of the product. Digital version will be let's say an ebook. That's a digital version. If the page is not fully loaded, choose a price not available. Also, choose price not available if the price is cut off on the screenshot as well. All right, so let's close this out. Moving on to this one. So rustic birch, the price here is 58.37. So I found the price, so that's 58.37. Moving on to the next is this one, $15. So that's 15. I found the price and type there 15 with the decimal point. Here, the price is 179.99. 179.99. This one is 34.56. This one, 3,500. Hold on, let's pull up the guidelines. If the price, choose the regular price without offers for logged in members. If a member only price is the only shown, choose price not available. On the page, okay, for this one, there is a discount. Choose the price after the discount offered to everyone, but not including discount for bulk purchase or bundled items. So for this one, 3,500. This is a bit confusing. So let me do a calculation here. So 3,500 less that 1050. That's 30. Hey, 3,500 less 1050. 2,450. Um, so here, 2,450. All right, moving on to the next is this 329.99. 329.99. And in here, 119.99. 119.99. And in here, suggested payments. Okay, 2,000 2694.99. 2694.99. Oh, yep. And in here, it's 72.99. I don't have the payment amount for this particular item or a particular task rather. So this one is 67.97. Ready to submit it. If we get an error, we'll get a message. Okay. The price of the product with discount applied. s- Oh, okay. I made a mistake here. It's a misinterpretation. It's 1050. I thought you have to less 1050. My bad. So type that in there and let's click submit. We got one mistake here. Well, that's a good thing. And I am not sure how many tasks or yeah hits we need to finish for us to pass. So 46.50, 46.50. Then 54.99. This one is easy, right? 58.37. 34.99. 16.99. Here, Japanese anime manga pro. Okay, 9.17. Price not found. It doesn't show the price here. It's a broken image. 389.99. And here, I don't see. Okay, 115. Let's see how it goes. Let's submit it. Oh, comment. We need to type a comment. Broken image. Just click submit. See how it goes. Okay, we made a mistake here. It says the standard price offered for every. All right. I'm not sure what happened, but the image failed to load. So let's just enter 20. Hey. Okay. I have found the price, so 20. Type that in. Click submit. Okay, we passed the training task with a score of 74. At least we made it. Thing though is we made two mistakes. So please do capture a screenshot of those error messages, so you'll get a higher score during the training than what we did today. So again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel. If you work on this task, I would suggest you pull up the instructions, read them carefully, and understand it. Okay, do not rush it. Slow down and take your time. Um, we have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first before we can welcome you there. And of course, answer the relevant membership questions. We just want to make sure that you read those guidelines before, or questionnaires rather, before we can welcome you. Have a good day and thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. And again, please do not forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. Bye for now.